Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and gadgets. I'm your host, and today, we have something fantastic in store for you. A deep dive into the world of ergonomic tech with the KPMARE Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a moment to appreciate this ergonomic marvel. Behold the KPMARE Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo, designed with your comfort and productivity in mind. Let's dive straight into what sets this combo apart. First and foremost, ergonomics. This combo is a game-changer for your wrists. The full-size wireless keyboard comes with a wrist rest and folding stand, ensuring an optimal typing angle to keep wrist fatigue at bay. Say goodbye to constantly swapping out batteries. Both the keyboard and mouse are equipped with rechargeable lithium batteries. A quick charge with the included Type-C cable provides long-lasting power. We all crave that satisfying typing experience, right? The scissor mechanism beneath each key delivers stability, silence, and quick rebound. Typing on this keyboard feels like a breeze. The wireless mouse is no slouch either. With an ergonomic design that fits your hand like a glove, it's comfortable for extended use. It even comes with additional function buttons for added convenience. But wait, there's more. Worried about energy consumption? Don't be. Both the keyboard and mouse have intelligent power-saving features. If they're not in use for over 30 minutes, they'll enter sleep mode to conserve energy. Wondering if this combo will work with your device? Fear not. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and other operating systems. Whether you're using a desktop or a laptop, it's got you covered. Curious about what's inside the box? Let's take a look. You'll find the ergonomic wireless keyboard, the wireless mouse, and a comfortable mouse pad. All the essentials for a fantastic computing experience. Now, for the tech-savvy viewers, let's dive into the specifications. This combo is well-sized, measuring at 16.68 x 8 by 0.7 inches and weighing 2.23 pounds. It's perfect for both work and play. Got any questions or concerns? This combo comes with excellent support. If you ever face connectivity issues, don't worry. The user manual provides clear instructions for reconnection. And if you need extra USB receivers, KPMARE has you covered. In summary, the KPMARE Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo is your ticket to a comfortable and efficient computing experience. If you're ready to upgrade your setup, look no further. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and stay tuned for more tech goodness. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, in the world of tech, comfort and productivity go hand in hand. Stay comfy and stay connected with Product Critique.